How to operate the ZKL 3000RC remotely. The ZKL 3000RC can be operated in two ways, either manually or remotely. In this video, we'll focus on remotely operating the device. To operate the device remotely, the device must be assigned to a released project in MT-Info 3000. The key switch must be in the operational position. The MT-Info 3000 app can be downloaded via Google Play or the Apple Store. You will need to log in to the MT-Info 3000 app using your username, company code and password. This is the home screen. On the screen there are multiple modules. To operate the device remotely, the module you need to select is the one called RS. Once you have selected the RS module, you will see a list of RS projects. Select the RS project that you require. You will notice that some have a red padlock. This indicates that you have been assigned to a project, but it has not yet been released to you. You can only access projects with a green padlock, those that have been released to you. Now, select the protection zone you wish to activate and select On. You will then need to spell the word ON. Next, type in your unique PIN number and select Switch. You should now see a green banner. This indicates that all devices have been switched successfully. There are various ways to monitor the ZKL 3000RCs remotely. For more information, go to the How to Monitor the ZKL 3000RC video. To deactivate the device, the same process applies. Again, select the protection zone you wish to activate and select Off. You will then need to spell the word Off. Next, type in your unique PIN number and select Switch. The green banner on the screen will now show that all devices have been switched successfully. If you need further guidance or instruction on how to use the device, Dual Inventive offers support on site, over the phone or online. Call us on 03300 169 033 or email support@dualinventive.co.uk.